What's up, YouTube? Got some new stuff in for the Ducati. It's here, it's here. Ordered it from CNC Racing. As you see, I went with the black. And the stock color is kind of like that bronze color. Here's the part number right here. You guys can see. The main reason why I went with CNC Racing is because they already comes with that centerpiece in there already. Whereas like with Ducati, you have to actually like kind of hammer it in, but it already comes with that already. So that's why I went with CNC Racing. And I went with gold to match with the gold, some of the gold stuff like the forks, and we got the my chain is black and gold also. But yeah, here's the part number for that. With that, with the red, also we have the little red pieces around the bike also too, so that would make that. I know it's kind of McDonald-esque, but it's all good. I don't care. I wanted a color contrast, and I want to actually see the oil coming down. That's why I didn't go with all black. But here is the right there. There's the pressure plate ring, glass cover. For that, I like CNC Racing. It's black. It doesn't have nothing additional added onto it. Here's the part number for that. Alright, so we're going to unpack all this stuff. As I was going through this, I noticed this right here. It comes with a little boxer brake fluid holder. It comes with that. Tap that, see what's in here. Okay, here's the O-ring for this. Well, actually for this. We got some screws. I imagine these screws is for this. Okay, and I imagine these are for that, for these around here. So I had to order these from my Ducati dealership. It took a minute to get them in, but they came, because they come straight from Italy, obviously. But here's the part information for these right here. You guys want to pause that? Those are like the shorter ones, shorter, thick ones. And these here are the longer ones. These are the part information for these here. I ordered 5, and I think you only need 3, but I think it comes in 5s. So, and then I ordered 20 of these. I think I need 15. I counted, but yeah, we'll see. So yeah, so that's that. So you'll need that to go with any of these kits because they don't come with them. I read somewhere where it's saying they suggest you use the stock ones again, but you kind of can't use those again because they're one-time use only from Ducati. So, so let's get back. So let's get into unpack all this, and then I'll get taking some stuff off the bike. Speaking of the bike, I took most of the stuff off already. Alright, took this off right here. This connects to that right here like that. Like so, like this. Took that off already. Took this stock piece off. Got the zip tied over out the way. I'm thinking I should be able to, once I get this off here, I should be able to slide it down and out. Once I get it pried off. And I'll make, stick on out in the video. And I got this off here. That comes off. Yeah, so I pretty much got it stripped down. Alright y'all, so as you see, got it cracked off. Right here, as you see, I lost a ton of oil. I gotta do oil change anyway. So I'm thinking I can probably snake this out right here. We're at this point, I'm gonna show you what I did to get it off. Basically, I used my just pry tool here. Here, this point here. There's a point there. What's it called? Pry points. There's a point right there. As you can see, there's a point over here on this side too. But I found the easiest point to pry it open was the bottom, where most of the oil was leaking from. This pry point here was the easiest. And what I did was just pretty much you can hear it once it starts to loosen up down here. It's pried underneath here, this part right here. Pried out. It took a while, so I gotta be patient. Alright y'all, so as you see, finally got this thing off. I had to like push the old one forward, out, and kind of twist it this way, and it slid down over this piece here. But look how cool that looks inside though. There's that little chain right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up around here, get some of the old rubber sealant off. Okay guys, this is the 3-bond. It's 1207B. Liquid gasket I'm gonna use to go around here. See? I feel like I got a good clean, so I feel like I don't need a whole bunch on here. Alright guys, so the next step is to take this here and place it on a new one. So I'm gonna use this little pick to get it off. Okay, that's it nice and tight. Four long ones. It's these right here. It's the part number. The total. One here, and one here. That's the 4 needed. So this here. Definitely put this one in here first. That's where most of the oil's leaking from. Okay, the first bolt to torque down is going to be the one to the left of this hose. 3.5 newton meters, 90 degrees. That bolt here, that's number 2 right here. Number 3 is this one up here. Number 4 is going to be this one here. I'll get back here and try to torque this one down. Number 5 is this one down here. 6 is this one up here. It's really hard to get to. Number 7 is going to be this one up here. Number 8 is going to be this one here. 9 is going to be this one down here. Number 10 is going to be this one here. Number 11 is going to be this one here. Really tough spot. 12 is going to be this one here. This one up here is number 14. Number 15 is going to be this one down here. Get stuff out the way. 16 is going to be this one down here. $18 this one here. We got all of them all torqued down. 3.5 Newton meters, 90 degrees. Alright you guys, so next I'm going to remove this. You'll need a 10 millimeter. You'll need a 10 millimeter socket. Okay guys, we got all 3 of these loose. Pull this off here. It's here. Sit this down. We're going to reuse these springs. Alright, that's done. Just be able to pull this off here. I'm going to reuse this here. This right here gets reused. And also, there's supposed to be some springs back here. Aha, I see. There's like deep in here. These get reused also. So, alright, so I'm gonna lay this down like this, and I'm gonna take these out of here and transfer it to the new one. Alright, you guys. So now I gotta get the this bearing out back here. So got a hammer and a socket wrench. I'm gonna hammer at this. See, it's out. And next we gotta get in here, deep in here, and take these out. Got a little pick pin to pick this out. We're gonna move them over to the new one. Alright, let's get it. Now we got the new one over here. I'm gonna have to hammer this in here. Okay guys, you see we got it right. Spin it. See like a little lip right there? That's how you know we got it in properly. So next we can move these the stock inserts right there in. We've got the first one. Okay, we got that in. You see it's nice and flush in there. All the gears are right. Next we're gonna go and get the springs. Get the springs. Okay, we get that in. Next, we want to hand tighten this. Don't want to over tighten. With the same 10 millimeter socket. Do about 5 clicks each way. Okay guys, we got it all tightened down. Now let's check the clutch and let's see if it's working properly. Alright, looks pretty even to me. What y'all think? Okay, we've got the cover right here. It's the O-ring. It came with a black O-ring. I guess CNC Racing. Like I said, it's CNC Racing, so I guess that's what it comes with. I'm gonna clean the inside of the window, make sure it's not all dirty. Alright, you guys, got the O-ring in. Now we're gonna set this on here. hand tighten these bolts in here. Alright you guys, so we got everything up here, so we're gonna get a quick startup, get everything back on, get this back on here. This is the aftermarket one. I don't like the silver metal bolts here, so I'm gonna probably change those out. I'm gonna probably just change this back to the stock one if it'll allow it, if it'll fit. So we'll probably change that back. And I gotta find some black bolts for this, but everything's installed. Let's get it first started and see what